Namaste, welcome to Babita's Easy Recipes. Today in this video I am sharing cabbage dal pakoda. So friends, let's see how I am preparing this tasty pakoda. For cabbage pakoda I am using cabbage, 1 onion, few garlics and chilies. And I am also using dal. You can see 1/4 cup I am using chana dal, then yellow dal is like 3/4 cup, and 1/4 cup this raw rice I am using. So we have to wash the dal and soak in water for 1 hour like that. So first we have to grind this dal. Here I am adding few garlic cloves. So like this we have to grind it coarsely. So now I am adding this cabbage, green chili, onion, now adding little turmeric powder, salt, cumin seeds little bit, chili powder and little bit ajwain, that is carom seed, and coriander leaves we have to add. So now mix everything. So like this we have to mix. Now I will make the pakoda. So once the oil is heated, now we can fry this pakoda. So friends, you can see my cabbage dal pakoda is ready. You can serve this pakoda with chutney, green chutney or any type of chutney you can use. And even in lunch also as a side dish you can have this pakoda. So friends, I hope you will like this recipe. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.